Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, February 2, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thank you. I am a little tired.
Me too. The weekend was very short. Do you need a coffee?
Yes, please. I need a large black coffee. I have a lot of work today.
I understand. I have 3 meetings this morning. It is a busy day.
Mondays are always busy. So, did you read the news this weekend?
Yes, I did. I saw a very interesting article in the New York Times.
Oh, really? Which one?
It was published on January 30, 2026. It is about technology in the office.
Is it about new computers?
No, it is not. The headline is The Rise of the AI Boss.
That sounds serious. What does it say?
It says that 25% of big companies now use artificial intelligence to manage employees.
Wait, do you mean a robot is the manager?
Basically, yes. The article says the AI decides our schedules.
That is strange. Does the AI decide our holidays too?
Yes. The AI approves or rejects holiday requests. It looks at the data.
I am not sure I like that. A computer does not understand feelings.
Exactly. That is the controversy. The article says employees feel stressed.
I understand why. If I am sick, I want to talk to a person.
Me too. But the companies say it is more efficient.
Efficient, maybe, but it is not human. Does it check our performance?
Yes, it does. It counts our emails and our calls.
That is a problem for you, David? You talk a lot at the coffee machine.
You are funny. But yes, I am worried. I am a sales representative.
And sales is about relationships, not just numbers.
Correct. A computer cannot understand a good conversation with a client.
The article says 25% of companies. That is a big number.
It is 1 out of 4 companies. It is growing fast.
I hope our company does not buy an AI boss.
Me too. I like our human boss. He is nice.
Sometimes he is nice, but at least he listens.
True. This news is a bit scary for the future of work.
Technology moves very fast. We need to be careful.
Speaking of money and work, did you see the Wall Street Journal?
No, I usually read it, but I missed it this weekend.
There was an article on January 28, 2026. It is about taxes.
Taxes are always a boring topic.
Not this time. It is about the Global Digital Nomad Tax Agreement.
Oh, I heard a rumor about that. What is the agreement?
The article says 50 countries signed a new law.
50 countries? That is a lot. What is the law?
They want to tax remote workers who live abroad.
You mean digital nomads? People who work on their laptops on the beach?
Yes. Now they must pay a flat tax of 15%.
15%? That is specific. Who do they pay it to?
They pay it to the country where they are currently living.
That changes everything. Before, many nomads did not pay tax there.
Exactly. The article says local people are happy about this.
Why are the locals happy?
Because nomads use the roads and hospitals. Now they pay for them.
That seems fair. But the nomads are probably angry.
Yes. The article interviews a man in Bali. He is very angry.
I can imagine. His life is now 15% more expensive.
He says he might go back home.
This is big news for the economy. It changes tourism too.
Yes. Many countries want this money. It is millions of dollars.
But if the nomads leave, the coffee shops lose customers.
That is true. It is a difficult balance.
Do you want to be a digital nomad, David?
I wish, but I need to visit my clients in person.
And now with the 15% tax, it is less attractive.
Exactly. I will stay here in the office with the free coffee.
It is safer here. But the world is changing very quickly.
It is. Politics and economics are complicated right now.
Did you see any news about society or culture?
Yes, actually. I read USA Today on January 29, 2026.
What was the story about?
It is about universities. The headline is Universities Push for Mandatory Service Year.
Mandatory? That means they must do it?
Yes. Top colleges want students to work for 1 year before they start studying.
Work where? In a company?
No, in community service, like a charity or a nonprofit.
That is a very bold idea. Is it for all students?
The article says it is for all new students starting in 2027.
So, if you want to go to college, you must volunteer first.
Yes, for 12 months. They say it builds character.
I think it is interesting. Young people need real experience.
I agree, but parents are complaining.
Why are they complaining?
They say it delays their children's careers.
It is only 1 year. It is not a long time.
I know, but university is expensive. Parents want results fast.
But maturity is important too. 18 is very young.
The article says students are more focused after a service year.
I believe that. When I was 18, I was not ready for serious work.
Me neither. I just wanted to party.
Exactly. A year of helping people is good for the soul.
But some students say it is forced labor.
That is a strong opinion. Do they get paid?
The article says they get a small stipend for food.
So it is not a job with a salary. It is volunteering.
Yes, it is controversial. People are debating it online.
Everything is controversial these days.
True. The AI boss, the nomad tax, and now the service year.
It feels like the rules of society are changing.
We need to adapt.
I am glad I finished university a long time ago.
Me too. I do not want to do a service year now.
You do a service year every year, David.
What do you mean?
You serve customers. That is community service.
Huh. You're very funny today, Alex.
I try my best. The coffee helps.
Is your coffee good?
It is okay. It is hot. That is the most important thing.
My coffee is a bit weak today. I need more energy.
Maybe you need an AI to make your coffee?
No, thank you. I prefer to make it myself.
So, what is your plan for the rest of the morning?
I have to prepare a presentation for a client.
Is it a big client?
Yes, very big. I need to be perfect.
You are good at presentations. Do not worry.
Thanks, Alex. What about you? I have a project review with the engineering team.
That sounds technical. It is. We are behind schedule. I need to fix it.
Maybe you can ask the AI boss for help.
Stop it, David. No AI bosses in my project.
Okay, just a joke.
It is 9:00 a.m. now. We talk too much.
Yes, time flies. We must go.
Good luck with your presentation, David.
Thank you. Good luck with your engineers.
See you later at lunch.
Yes, let's meet at 1:00 p.m. in the cafeteria.
Perfect. See you then. Have a good morning.
You too, Alex. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.